Hello everyone, this is Jahazib Amin with you and you are watching my YouTube channel Advanced Technology Barana. Few months back I created a series for the firmware upgrade on Catalyst 9200, Catalyst 9300 and Cisco router with the help of USB flash drive. USB flash drive procedure is in use since there is availability of the USB port on the Cisco devices. But before, the Cisco devices were upgraded with the help of TFTP server. I receive requests from my viewers that still they are interested to know that what is the process for updating the firmware with the help of TFTP server. And today video is I'm creating basically a request on my viewers who told me that they would like to know the simple process for updating the firmware with the help of TFTP server. So I have Catalyst 9200 switch. This is a new switch and we will do the firmware upgrade with the latest version. The only difference in doing the upgrade with flash or with the TFTP server, that if you are doing upgrade with the USB flash drive, you does not need to be physically appear with the device. You can just inform anyone to just plug the USB port and do the firmware update. But if you are doing upgrade with the TFTP server, you should have physically present with your device, and you need a physical connectivity, which is a Ethernet connectivity and a console connectivity, because TFTP server required a physical connection to copy the firmware from your local laptop or your PC to the Cisco switch flash drive. So let's start our lab for today. The process for updating the firmware is same as it is, except there is one command difference for copying the firmware from the TFTP server. So I'm connected today with the help of console and the UTP cable, and I will share my screen and we will start the process. The process will take around 30 minutes or 20 minutes, depend on the firmware size. And if you have a stack of switches, it will for sure take extended time. But if you have one switch, it will take around 20 minutes or 25 minutes from copying the firmware till the reboot. So let's start our lab and we'll see the remaining steps in the lab process. So guys, this is my new switch. So it's asking me that would you like to enter the initial configuration. I will make it quickly no, and I will make it in the configuration mode. So once you are in configuration mode, the first thing you need a physical connectivity reachability with your Catalyst switch and between your laptop. So I will do one thing. I will just create a VLAN, and then I will create an interface VLAN, and I will assign the IP. Okay, so I'll just put IP T100. I put the IP 10 to 20 to 4000. Okay, this is my address. Let me disable the logs, otherwise it will show me a lot of logs. Okay, yes. So what I did, I will just repeat it. Interface VLAN 240, and I give IP address 10 to 20 to 40 100 255 255 255.0. Okay, there are two things which I can do it. Either I will create an interface VLAN and assign the IP, and then the port which is connected with my laptop, I will assign the same VLAN for on this port. This is the first procedure. Second process, or the way I can do one thing, I will create this port as a routed port instead of assigning the VLAN. Okay, so what I will do, I will just let me do it no interface VLAN 240 to show you. Okay, and I will make it interface gigabit 101, and I will put the command no switch port. Okay, this command will make my port as a routed, and I can assign IP address now. IP address 10 to 20 to 40 100. I'll give the subnet mask and notion. Okay, so this is two ways: either create a VLAN interface, assign the port as part of that VLAN, or just make it routed port. So I will continue as a routed port. Okay, so let me check show interface gigabit 101. The port is up. Now I will make ping from my switch to my my laptop, okay, which is my TFTP server. So ping 10.2.20.241. Yes. Let me check the IP address, what IP address I gave to my system. Yeah, sorry, I make the same IP 10.2.20.40.100, so I will change here the IP address. I'll make it to 41. Okay, so guys, make sure about the configuration what we are doing. If any mistake, you will face a problem. So now I will check now 100. Okay, now I'm able to ping it, make it repeat to make sure there is no packet loss. Okay, so this is fine. So now I have reachability with my switch from my PC. So the second thing, I need a TFTP server. I will recommend you guys to go with SolarWinds TFTP Server. The SolarWinds TFTP Server is very simple and very easy to download, and it is available and very friendly. So what I will do over here, this is my TFTP server. Okay, I'll go on the file, I'll go on the config. On the configuration side, you will see that you have to make sure that your TFTP server is started. Okay, if it is stopped, you make it start, and remaining configuration you will make it same as it is, except this storage. This is the storage where you put your iOS new firmware. Okay, so I just created this image on my desktop here, and I put this to recommended firmware. So I will copy from here. So just make sure about this one, that your path is configured and you have the firmware inside. Remaining things you can keep as it is. Sometimes you face a problem because of your Windows firewall. So make sure your Windows firewall is turned off, and if you does not have any issue, you can keep as it is, as a turn on. Okay. So let me clear these logs here. I cleared the log. So now I'll come back to my command prompt here. Okay, another thing guys, if you want to download, you will just go on the Google and write down SolarWinds TFTP server. It will take you directly to the SolarWinds TFTP server. Just download it. It's a very small software. So let's come back quickly and start our process. Before going for the firmware upgrade, make sure your flash have enough space available. Because this is my new switch, I do not have any issue for the space. But if you are doing your upgrade for your existing network switches, you have to make sure that your space have available in the flash. Otherwise, you will face a problem in copying the firmware from the TFTP to your flash drive. Okay, so the command for this one is install remove inactive. This command will make sure that your flash does not have any unnecessary firmware available. Okay, so once I will put this one, it will evaluate my flash and give me the result. Let's see. Okay guys, so you see finally the message is success, no extra package or provisioning files found on media. Okay, so there is no extra file, and because this is the new switch. But if you have an old switch, might be you have this one, so make sure to give this command install remove inactive. Okay, the next command, I will copy the firmware from my TFTP server to the flash of my switch. For this one, I will give a command copy TFTP, then I will give the IP address of my laptop 10.2.20.240.100, then this one, and I will give the name of my software, my firmware. Let me copy from here. And I'll copy the bin. Don't forget to copy the bin extension. Okay. Copy TFTP. And in the last I will put it flash. Okay, so it's asking the destination file name, keep as it is always the same, so you will know what firmware version you have uploaded to the flash, and it will start accessing. Copying the firmware over the Ethernet, it will take always some extra time, so it will take maybe around 3 to 4 minutes to copy the firmware, depend on the size of the file. So that's why it is recommended to go with the USB. But if still you want interested to go with the TFTP server, you have to wait for around 3 to 4 minutes to copy the firmware from the TFTP to your flash. So let it finish, and then we will continue our remaining steps. So guys, finally the firmware has been copied from my laptop to the catalyst switch in the flash. Okay, you see this one that it gives me the confirmation. So we need to make sure that our firmware is copied perfectly. For this one, I will give a command dir flash, then I'll put asterisk dot bin. Okay, you see over here it gives me information about my firmware that it has been copied successfully with the available space and total byte, whatever it is. The next command I will give it that boot system flash package config. Okay, what this command basically do, if you see over here, this catalyst, the firmware file, this is not a single file. Basically it will extract the multiple files, so it will become as a package. Okay, so this command boot system flash package will tell it that use this file, and then I will use it no boot manual. Okay, this command is not compulsory, it will just make auto reload. So if you skip this one, it will not make any effect. After this one, I will just save the configuration what I told about the package. Okay, now I'll make it show boot, and it will tell me that boot variable is set to flash package config. Okay, this one, like boot variable on next reload will be the package which I have been installed just now. So now there is only one command left, that we will activate the firmware, and then it will ask for the reload, and then it will start installing the firmware on the switch. Here just to inform you that when it will install the file on the when it will install the package, the process will check that you have a stack or not. If you have a stack of switches, it will install the firmware on all the stack members. Okay, so it will check and it will make sure. So if you have 3, 4, 5 or number depend on your stack switches, it will take some extended time because it have to load the firmware on each stack member, and then finally it will make a reload and reboot, and it will show you that image has been installed. Okay, so the next command is install add file flash, and I will just copy the file name from here. This is the file. Okay, and I will give command activate commit. Okay, commit. So I will push this command, and the process is started now. Okay, you see over here, install in image started, install on one shot on flash with this file. So now it's another take around 5-7 minutes, depends on the switch. Okay, so let's see the process, and after the reload, finally after doing the reload, we will remove the old file. Don't forget to remove old firmware file from your flash, because it will make issue for your space. So it's a best practice to remove your old file once we have done this installation. So just wait for the time to come back to reload, and then we will remove the old firmware, and finally our firmware is upgraded, and we will do the confirmation. So just wait. You see guys over here, it's saying starting initial file syncing. They're copying flash to the selected switches. Now it is checking that starting add performing add on all members, because since I have only one, but the process will make sure that you have how many members in your stack. So finally it will show me the message that we have only one member, and it will do the final push for the activation of the firmware. Let's see. So guys, if you see over here, it saying that performing add on all members, and it found only one switch one. Okay, one. So add pass on and finish add image add version install add activate commit activating package. So this is the final round. So guys, finally it's asking me to proceed with the reload. If you see over here, that following package shall be activated. This is a new version 17.12.3. okay, so I will make it yes. Before it just add on all the members, checking status of add-on. Okay, and now it is going for activation. Each step is very transparent, and if you analyze it very closely, you will see that each and every step the firmware upgrade process will tell you what exactly it's doing for in the process of upgrading. Okay, so now it's showing performing activate on all members. So now it's showing me that old files listed and new files, like the old files are replacing with the new files. Okay, this is my old firmware 17.6.3 and it replaced with the new files 17.12.3. Finished list of software package changes. Okay, so the transition is done now. So now it will rebooting. And showing checking status of activate on one, like switch one, activated, passed on, finished, activate. Okay, another very important message, that send model notification for install, add, activate, commit before reload. Like switch itself sending the model notification, like internally it's doing each and everything very professionally, that the switch itself telling that you have a new iOS with the new model or whatever it is giving you. Now finally my switch is reload, there is a sound, and you see that the initialization hardware system bootstrap version 17.9.1, this is a bootstrap version, and attempting to boot from flash package config. This is the same command which I gave to boot from this package, and now it extract the single file into multiple file of the firmware, and the boot process is finally initiated. So another message is saying that bootloader upgrade, and here important, please do not power cycle bootloader upgrading. Okay, the next message is saying universal bootloader upgrade successful. Okay, so the bootloader which basically initiated all this synchronization, this upgrade, it's the bootloader, and now it's saying reloading to enable the new bootloader and MCU, and now it's initializing the hardware, and you see system bootstrap version 17.12.1. this is the new bootstrap. So guys, well done job. We have done the firmware upgrade on 9200. Let me show you the show version. In the show version it's showing version 17.12.3, and now I will remove the old firmware from the flash. Okay, and the command I will use it, install remove inactive. Okay, Let's see. Okay, it's saying that cleaning flash, scan boot directory for packages done, and preparing package list to delete. This is the old package. Okay, you see, this is the package because it have a multiple files from the one file. So it asks me the following file will be deleted. So it asks me, do you want to remove the above files? I will say yes, and it will remove finally. And now I will put this command again, install remove inactive. You will see what is the output. It will say there is nothing to delete. Okay, you see, no extra package or provisioning file found on media, nothing to clean, files deleted, like it's already deleted. So guys, we have done our upgrade for the firmware with the help of TFTP server. I explained you not only to upgrade, but I also explain each and every step which is happen during the upgrade process. What is the meaning of each step? What's the messages are coming? I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, like, and rate your best reviews, because it take a lot of time and a lot of preparation required to make something very easy for the viewers. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, keep in touch. Very soon you will have some fantastic series are coming related with the Cisco ACI part. I will explain the VPC parts. The Cisco VPC peering is in the process. Very soon you will see for this one. Then the installation of iMagical call recording. The call recording series is also coming to integrate with the Cisco Call Manager. So you will see much more things coming on my channel. So take care, Allah Hafiz, and see you soon with another stuff.